everyone, welcome to Keralakam CBSE School online class. In the previous class, you all learned about air and water lesson, and today I am going to deal with difficult words of the lesson of weather and season. That is the third lesson, weather and seasons. Difficult words. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. W-I-N-D, wind. W-I-N-D, wind. H-U-M-I-D, humid. H-U-M-I-D, humid. H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest. S-L-A-N-T, slant. S-L-A-N-T, slant. S-H-I-N-E, shine. S-H-I-N-E, shine. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. B-L-O-W, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breathe. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breathe. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. S-T-O-R-M, storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. D-A-M-A-G-E, damage. D-A-M-A-G-E, damage. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. C-O-V-E-R, cover. C-O-V-E-R, cover. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. E-S-C-A-P-E, escape. E-S-C-A-P-E, escape. D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drop. D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drop. F-O-R-E-C-A-S-T, forecast. F-O-R-E-C-A-S-T, forecast. M-E-T-E-O-R-O-L-O-G-I-S-T, meteorologist. M-E-T-E-O-R-O-L-O-G-I-S-T, meteorologist. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, major. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, major. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E, temperature. S-H-E-D-D-I-N-G, shedding. S-H-E-D-D-I-N-G, shedding. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H, approach. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H, approach. M-O relief. Beautiful. 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 Winter. Winter. Monsoon. Monsoon. Okay dears. See, by head these all difficult words and read the lesson number 3, weather and seasons. See, while reading the words, see, for example, thunder is there. Thunder. Thunder. Don't read thunder. Don't read like that. Divide the letters and read it. It is helpful to you. Remember the word very easy. Thunder. Thunder. You should divide the letters like this, and it is very easy to reading also and remembering also. Thunder. Okay. The another one is season. Season. Don't by-hat while by-hatting the spelling. Don't by-hat like this. Season. 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 Don't by-hat like this. Divide the letters and read it. Season. 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 Like this you read, and it's very easy to remember the letters and words also. And read lesson number 3, weather and season. Now open the page number 124. 124. Open the page number 124. Now I am going to read the lesson. You should keep your finger where I am reading. Lesson number 3. Weather and seasons. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of the place at a particular time. Changes in weather are mostly caused by the sun, wind, cloud and rain. It can be warm, cold, windy, sunny, humid or cloudy. So they given pictures for you: hot day, windy day and cold day. See the pictures in the page number 124. The next one is sun. The sun gives us heat and light, which makes the day warm and bright. Days are always warmer than nights. Noon time is the hottest part of the day. Come to the next page. In the morning and evening, it is not very hot because we get slanting rays of the sun. But at noon, it is very hot because the sun shines directly overhead. Here, the given picture for you. This is morning time, afternoon time, and this one is evening time. They show the place of the sun. See, where here in the morning time and afternoon time, and this one is evening time. The next one is wind. The position of sun they given. Wind. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. When the wind blows gently, it is called a breeze. Strong winds which are accompanied by thunder and lightning are called storms. Sometimes storms cause a lot of damage. This can uproot trees and blow off the roofs of houses. The hot, dry and strong wind which blows during peak summer season in afternoon is called blue. It makes the weather very unpleasant and uncomfortable during winter. Cold winds make the weather very cold. Okay dears, up to here you should read the lesson up to the wind and and also by head these all difficult words and write in the new page, put the heading weather and seasons and write difficult words subheading and write these all 35 difficult words in your classwork book and by head the words that all. Thank you.